So since hybridization describes how orbitals overlap, there are different types of orbitals that we're going to look at. So the first one is going to be our s orbital. And that essentially is just one subshell, and that's going to be spherical. Okay, so it's really just going to be some sort of sphere. And then the next one is going to be our p orbitals. There are 3 different types. So there are 3 subshells. So there's px, and then that's going to lie on the x-axis, py, that lands on the y-axis, and then pz, which lands on the z-axis. Okay, so these 2 are actually going to be the most common ones that we're going to talk about and look at for hybridization. The reason for that is because the next one, which is the d orbitals, are very complex, and they're very difficult to draw on a 2D level. So typically with hybridization, we do not look at the d orbitals. It's only s and p. So let's look at